In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 1Password to autofill your passwords, making online logins quicker and more secure. This simple yet powerful tool can save you time while ensuring your information stays confidential. Let's dive into the steps to get you set up and using 1Password effortlessly. First, let's navigate to the website where you need to log in. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll use the 1Password website as our example, but remember, these steps apply to most sites you visit. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the website where you need to log in. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Click on Sign In, and this will direct you to the login page where you can proceed with entering your account details. Next, select your account from the list. Typically, if you've previously logged into a website using 1Password, your saved accounts will show up here. If your account doesn't pop up immediately, make sure you are logged into your 1Password extension or app and refresh the page if necessary. When you are on the login page and the field appears for you to enter your password, click inside the password box. This action is crucial as it prompts your 1Password extension to jump into action, ready to assist you with autofilling. At this point, you should see a small icon or prompt appearing next to the password input field. This is the 1Password autofill option. Go ahead and click on this prompt. The autofill will automatically enter your stored password and username into the respective fields. Once your details are filled in, the last step is to simply click the Sign In button, and you're done. You have now used 1Password to autofill your login information, making the process smooth and hassle-free. Using 1Password to autofill passwords is an excellent way to manage multiple accounts without the stress of remembering every single password. Just a few clicks and you are logged in securely. It's important to ensure that your 1Password app or extension stays updated and secure, as it is the gatekeeper to all your stored information. Remember to lock your 1Password vault when it's not in use for added security. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use 1Password to autofill passwords. This feature will save you time and ensure you maintain security across your online accounts. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.